if I want to isolate a selection, I can select something and go up to Show Isolate Selection, View Selected. Or Control 1, all the shortcuts there, which is pretty handy. Okay, so same deal for this guy here. Now, if I press 1, whoops, am I in object mode? If I press 2 on the keyboard, it does a pretty good job, but there's some areas that are sort of being pulled in a little bit too much. It's not too bad actually. But yeah, I want a little bit more of a lip than that. So just 1, if I go in and just put in 2 extra ones there, that'll help to retain that, and looks pretty good to me. Might fix up the bottom here, make it a little bit more defined, and also do my other trick. Just grab that vertice, Command to face, select all those guys, and then extrude. And extrude in a little bit. G does the extrude, and then pull it down. G, extrude it in a little bit more, and now we've got a nice little curvature going on. So that's a bit better. Looks pretty good. Okay, so again, go ahead and modify, convert, smooth mesh to polygons, and remove any polygons that aren't useful. So anything that doesn't add to the curvature. And look, I could probably get rid of quite a few in here because it's not a very high detail area. So and depends on how close the camera is going to get, but I could go through and delete every second one. See how that goes. See, whoops, delete way too many there. I didn't even do the second one, but they're fine. I'll just take those ones, get rid of those, and so forth. That's looking pretty good. I could even leave that last one in there. Alright, that's good. So need to do that with the other plates as well. So Control 1, 3 on the keyboard, smooth mesh preview, but I'm going to use 2 and insert some edge loops. So this time I'll just have it turned on while I do it, like so. That just makes that edge a bit nicer, and I'm going to bring in that guy as well. I might as well do the base as well, just in case we want to throw these plates up in the air or something. To face, whoops, to face. Scale it in. G reactivates the extrude tool. Move it down a little bit. Actually, scale it in a little bit more. G, move it down. Don't want to go through. Something like that. That's good. Looks pretty good. And then if I want, I can add some extra detail here. Which I will do to make it a little bit rounder. Okay, that's good. And maybe even so it's less. Oops. That's better. And inside looks good. Happy with that. I can convert that as well. And yeah. Alright, so this one's looking like, yeah, they probably could really do with some cleaning up. Yep, looks pretty good to me. Happy. There's probably a few in there to be cleaned up as well. G reactivates, or Control Delete actually deletes the edge and vertice as well. Looks pretty good. So yeah, as you can see, these are high polygon meshes, but still we want to reduce the amount of polygons so that they're not taking up too much render time and so forth. And we've got a nice optimized scene. Alright, looks good. Now I'm just going to duplicate that guy for the last one. And if I need to go in and make some alterations,